Hello guys, my name is Radua. I'm from the Customer Services Department, and today I'm going to give you some instructions of how to remove, or better, to replace the bearings from the main shaft and also the pinion from this shaft too. But first, we need to remove the drum. Whenever you need to replace your pinion, first you need to remove the elastic ring from the tip of this shaft, and you can easily remove the pinion from it. Whenever you need to replace the bearings, you just need to heat the tip of this shaft as well. This all S is going all through the engine box. So after removing the cover, now we have the access to this part here, where we are going to find the cotter pin. After removing the cotter pin, now we need to remove the castle nut, okay? Then now, as you can see, we have total access to this shaft, okay? And to remove this shaft, we are going to need to use a hammer and also something to hit in here, okay? Use this hole as an aim, okay? If you hit around here, you're going to damage the shaft and you won't be able to assemble this again. So after removing both covers and hitting the bottom of the shaft, now you have access to the shaft and its bearings. As I told you before, guys, beware with this part here. Every time that you're gonna hit to remove the shaft, try to hit the center of the shaft. Otherwise, the castle nut will not be assembled correctly. So guys, it was another Menegotti video talking about the concrete mixer. Thanks for watching, till next time.